Yeah, so I'm back to see the car. It's like this in the front. It's like broken, but this is a little thing. It's a little things. This one is a small thing, you know. I think this not the right light for it. I think they might be like round lights, you know, this kind of. But this is a small thing. Um, this one's it's a small thing. Like I can deal with this thing. This one isn't come out. You know. If we're to get a car, we will. I will tear it apart and then stuff like that. This one is sitting down. This is 8,000. It's cheaper. It's cheaper. Look, there's a hole there. And I love holes in the car. There's a hole there. It's a big hole. And there's another hole here. Yeah, the car is still inside, you know. You know what I mean? It's a crazy thing, but yeah, it's like this. It's like this, you know. Can you see how it is? It's like this. There's so many, like it's 160 speed, and it's got something like put in there. I don't know what is this. This is a hooter. There's so many things here. They're telling me it's 8,000. I'll buy it 7,000 because you know what happened is I cannot buy it. So many things is missing, but this car is the car that I wanted. The interior is not that bad. It's not bad, but the rubber must come out. Yeah. I love it. I love it. How to do something. If have like 1,000 rand and then I'll put these things in good shape. I'm not sure about if these things work. Let me see. Okay. That's good. That's good. This one I'm doubting like it can turn. But it's a small thing, you know, it's a small thing. I want this thing. It's got a hole at the bottom. I love it. I love it. So I'll put 2 round. Is it a Mazda or something? I think this is a Mazda Toyota. Let me check. Is it a Mazda or Toyota? It's a Mazda. My dream will come true if I get this car. So I'll do it my best, you know. I'll do it my best. This gentleman, when he see this car, is gonna cry. He's gonna love it back. But the thing is, I'll change everything. I love this car. I love this thing. I love this thing. When I do magic in this thing, people will respect me. They want it or not, you know. Like someone was doing it, like was throwing things in here. It's good because I'm showing you before it's done. But I come back here.